Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to RSH, aka the Rideshare Hub. Thank you so much for coming by. I really do appreciate you clicking on my videos. It really does mean so much to me. So thank you so much for coming by. Really quickly, I do need to get my thumbnail. If you guys don't know how I get my thumbnails, this is how I do it. Just so you guys, understand what's going on. The title of this video is, why are so many Uber drivers quitting? So what do? I go like this. Or I go like this. Sometimes I try to go a little sad. But that's it, guys. That's how I get my thumbnails. All right, so now in today's video, why are so many Uber drivers quitting? If you guys don't know, first of all, my name's Dylan. Nice to meet you guys. Smash the thumbs up button. Subscribe for more videos. If you guys didn't know, this channel is all about Uber, Lyft, Rideshare, food delivery, etc. But also I was gonna say, most Uber drivers only last a couple of months, which is why I think it doesn't make sense for drivers to become employees, because the turnover rate is just so dang high. Most drivers sign up, or most people who do sign up for Uber and become drivers, or Lyft, they sign up because they're behind on their rent, or they lost their job, or they want to make a few extra bucks. They sign up, they drive, they get their money, they move on, and they never drive again. Or, on the other hand, a lot of people drive, sign up, can't figure out how to use the dang platform, figure out they're actually losing money, which, you need to follow my advice, my steps on how to actually make money. Because yes, you can lose money. There is a way to lose money. A lot of people figure out that they're losing money and then they stop driving. Why are so many drivers quitting? Why do so many drivers quit? Well, I just told you, but there is an article called Drive Army that just created this article, and I really want to share with you guys. Why do you think so many drivers quit? Let me know. Is it the pay rates? Is it the pay cuts? Is it the fact that we have to use our own car, gas, maintenance, pay for all that stuff? Or is it the cost of the rental cars? They're so high. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Because you guys are smarter than me. Come on. I graduated from UC Berkeley. It's only the #1 public school in America, in the world, actually. Some of you guys are saying, oh my gosh, this guy's so dumb. Guys, not to sound pretentious or anything, but I went to, you know how hard I had to work in high school my whole life just to be able to attend this school? I'm not saying books, getting a good GPA and taking good classes is smart, but I did learn a thing or two. So I feel like I do have, and I was able to grow this channel too. That you have to have 1 or 2 brain cells to do that. Okay, moving on. Why so many drivers quit? Uber's own numbers indicate that as much as half of all drivers will stop driving for the company after just 1 year. Okay, so 50% of people quit within the first year. Following, we take a look at some possible reasons why they might quit. The honeymoon period. Oh yes, you sign up right away. First couple months, you're making the big bucks, and then your engine fails, or you get a flat tire, and then you realize, oh shoot, well the reason I'm paying for this is because you're driving for Uber. Most drivers for the first few months feel like this is the best job ever, especially if they can just left a 9-to-5 job. The working hours are super flexible, actual work can be fun. However, as time goes by in the honeymoon period, I was overdriving to pay attention to all the tiny annoying details that you used to ignore in the beginning, such as drunk riders, rudeness, and door slamming. I think it's more than that. For me, I got a flat tire. Or no, I think my tire was just balding and I realized it was from Uber. Driving for Uber and Lyft. And I had to spend like $200 to get a new tire because I have really nice tires and I can't get a cheap one. The #1, being a rideshare driver is not as simple as it looks. This is true. Apart from paying attention to the road, rideshare have to deal with other things as well. If you want to be honest, being a rideshare driver is a mix of safe driving, customer service, and business management. Some people are great at it, whereas others find it difficult to do all 3 at the same time. New drivers are left by themselves. New drivers do not receive any form of training unless you're at the Rideshare Hub. Then you get training every single day when they start driving for any of the rideshare companies. As a consequence, drivers learn through a trial and error, blah, 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 potential income, misleading income campaigns. That's true. I like the ones where they're like, you can make 10 grand a month driving. It's like, well, maybe, but it's really hard. Income uncertainty, true. Taxes and expenses. Want more? Yes, I do. Simply like us on Facebook. Heck no, I'm not gonna like you guys on Facebook. Well, you know what? Since I asked you guys to smash the like button, I'm gonna smash their like button. Just kidding. Okay, guys, so let's smash my like button. You know, mine's better. So yeah, guys, what was I gonna say? Why do you guys think drivers quit? For me, I think, like I said, people just realize that it's, oh, you know what? A big one, I think the biggest one is that people just get tired after a while. After you're driving for like 10 hours a day or 8 hours a day, that's like a constant road trip. You know when you go on a road trip after and you finally get to and you're like, I just want to take a nap? That's how I feel after driving all day. So maybe just doing that every day, that's why people quit. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts, why people quit. I would be curious. But again, my name is Dylan. Speaking of being tired, I'm gonna go to sleep in my car because, you know, this is the best house ever, right? I get to sleep where my passengers' butts are. Ew, that's gross. All right, you guys are great. I will talk to y'all soon. Have a good one. Like and subscribe. Peace.